Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan here. Probably wondering what's going on, why I look so sexy.
I'm sexy and I know it.
No, actually, this is my white apron. Today we're gonna have something special for you guys. What is happening if you put a coffee mate into your coffee? Yeah, that's pretty cool. So we'll find out today. So let's do it. Let's switch the machine on. Let's put the coffee in the tray. Perfect. And now we'll see what is going to happen if you put a coffee mate in your coffee. Beautiful. So we have our coffee here, and now this is the original product. As you can see, it's Coffee Mate. Look closely what's happening when I put the Coffee Mate. Beautiful. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, so this was the experiment for today. How to waste 2 minutes from your time. I'm Stefan. See you next time.
I'm sexy and I know it.